Don't just hover around the kitchen, come help me with dinner.
I wasn't sure what you needed help with. What can I do?
You can start by chopping those vegetables over there.
Sure thing. How small do you want them chopped?
Just into bite-sized pieces. We don't want them too big.
Got it. By the way, did you already season the chicken?
Not yet, I was just about to do that. Can you pass me the spices?
Here you go. Which ones are you planning to use?
I'm thinking a mix of garlic powder, paprika, and a little bit of rosemary.
Sounds delicious. Do you want me to preheat the oven?
Yes, please. Set it to 375 degrees.
Done. How long will the chicken need to cook?
About 25 to 30 minutes, but we'll check it around 20 minutes to make sure.
Okay. Anything else you need help with after the vegetables?
You can start setting the table if you're done chopping.
Will do. Do we need anything special, like candles or wine glasses?
Candles would be nice. Let's make it a little more special tonight.
Sounds good. I'll get those set up.
Thanks. You're a big help tonight.
No problem. I enjoy helping out. It makes dinner more fun.
I agree. Cooking together always makes it feel more like a team effort.
Definitely. And it makes the food taste even better.
This place feels eerie, don't you think?
Yeah, there's something unsettling about it. The silence is almost too loud.
I know what you mean. It's like the walls are watching us or something.
The way the shadows move in here makes everything feel even creepier.
Exactly. I don't think I've ever felt this uneasy in a place before.
Same here. Did you hear that noise just now?
I did. It sounded like something scraping against the floor.
That's what I thought too. Should we check it out or just leave?
I'm tempted to leave, but my curiosity is getting the better of me.
Mine too. Let's just be careful and stay close together.
Agreed. I have my flashlight, so we can see where we're going.
Good idea. Keep it pointed ahead. This hallway looks like it goes on forever.
It really does. I'm surprised we haven't run into anyone else yet.
Maybe that's what's so unsettling, being alone in a place like this.
Or maybe it's the stories we've heard about this place. They're hard to forget.
True. They say strange things happen here after dark.
Yeah, like the lights flickering or objects moving on their own.
I always thought those were just rumors, but now I'm not so sure.
Same here. Let's just keep moving and see what we find, or don't find.
Agreed. But if things get any stranger, we're heading straight out of here.
Deal. Let's hope we don't have to make a run for it.
I read an article today about how some scams prey upon elderly people.
Yeah, it's awful how they target vulnerable groups like that.
They use fear and confusion to trick people into giving away their money.
It's really disturbing. Do you know what kinds of scams they're using?
Mostly phone scams, like pretending to be from a government agency or a bank.
That makes sense. They try to create a sense of urgency so the person panics.
Exactly. It's so important to educate people on how to recognize these tactics.
I agree. My grandparents almost fell for one of those scams last year.
That's scary. How did they realize it was a scam?
Thankfully, they called me before they gave out any information.
That was smart of them. Not everyone has someone they can call for help.
It's good advice. Scammers prey upon people who don't know the warning signs.
It's sad that there are people out there who make a living off of deceiving others.
I know. And they keep finding new ways to trick people.
It's frustrating, but we have to stay vigilant and keep spreading awareness.
Definitely. The more people know, the less likely they are to fall victim.
I'm thinking of setting up a workshop at the community center to educate people about this.
That's a fantastic idea. It could really make a difference.
Count me in. I'd love to help out with that.
I can't believe they just cast me away like that.
I'm really sorry to hear that. What happened exactly?
They said they needed to make cuts, and I was one of the people they let go.
That's awful. You've been with the company for so long.
I know, almost 5 years. I thought I was safe.
Did they give you any reason, or was it just out of the blue?
They said it was purely budget related, nothing personal, but it still hurts.
Of course it does. You've put so much into your work there.
Exactly. I feel like all my effort and dedication meant nothing in the end.
It's really unfair, but remember, this doesn't define your worth or your skills.
I'm trying to remind myself of that, but it's hard not to take it personally.
I get it. It's only natural to feel that way, but you'll bounce back stronger.
I hope so. It just feels like everything's crumbling right now.
It may feel like that now, but this could be the start of something better for you.
I want to believe that, but right now it's tough to see any positives.
I understand, but you're incredibly talented, and another opportunity will come your way.
Thank you. I really appreciate your support.
Anytime. We'll get through this together, and you won't have to face it alone.
That means a lot. I'm grateful to have you by my side.
Always, we'll figure out the next step when you're ready.
That sounds good. I just need a little time to process everything.
Please subscribe and see you in the next video.